Hi everyone, my name is Amrit and I manage Ray Creations, a web design and development company based in India. And we have been working with global clients for over 10 plus years now. And we have had the privilege of serving a lot of customers, let's say in Australia, in US, and in UK, parts of Europe. We work with a lot of customers from all over the world, and we feel so proud working with each one of you. Okay, so what we basically do, we do web design and development, and we provide associated services like domain, hosting, and of course maintenance for your website. So let's talk about web design first. Web design mostly we design with, we include with every website that we design a content management system, and the most popular today is WordPress. So we include WordPress with every website that we create, and all our websites are responsive. Responsive meaning you would be able to, your customers or your clients would be able to view your website on all devices that they use. It's just one website and it displays perfectly on all devices. And then let's talk about development. We also develop applications, or suppose you have some custom requirement for, then we would develop those applications for you. We could use something else, but mostly we use WordPress to develop also, because we can program further and we can extend what WordPress offers to you, and we can build on top of that. So it's quicker, we build something a lot quicker, and it's very secure. Then let's talk about maintenance. Once your website is done, it's ready, it's live, then we can work with you to continue to maintain your site for you. We can take care of any issues that comes, that pops up, whatever it may be. It could be associated with your domain, it could be associated with your hosting, something DNS is something happening with the DNS, your site is not showing, something with the hosting, something with the domain, or maybe the website is not displaying perfectly. You need to upgrade your website to the latest version of WordPress, or things like that. So anything at all, you want to change an image or something, you can just send us an email and we can quickly resolve that for you. So that's something. We not only design something and just leave you after that. We'll stick with you as long as you let us associate with you, of course. So we'll design your website, we'll develop your website, we'll test it, we'll host it. Hosting a domain is, of course, there are many people who already have existing hosting and domain for them. So all right, if you don't want to host with us, that's perfectly fine. You can host with your preferred hosting company, and we can continue to maintain it for you. That is also possible, but the best is if you host with us, because we have our own servers, and we know how they're maintained. We have a team doing that. So if something goes wrong, we'll quickly be able to fix it, because we have everything in our own hands. So that's something to consider. Apart from that, since let's talk about affordability and costs. Yes, we are based out of India, and so that means if you are from Europe, Australia, UK, or for you, you'll find your costs a lot less than what you would pay in your own country. So yes, of course, we are affordable, and affordable doesn't mean that it's not quality. We take pride in what we design and what we develop. And I'm sure, like, when we design a website for you, you will be really, really happy to see the final outcome of the website. You will really like what we do for you. And so, as I said, like, we are a small company. We're a small company, yes. But we work for global clients, and we'll be happy to work with you. Just give us an opportunity. Just, we'll be happy to get back to you with a quote. If you have a project that you're going to start soon, talk to us and see what we can do for you, what we can offer you. I'm sure you will be happy to see what we have already done for our clients. So you can see already the work that we have already done. And of course, like, apart from that, apart from the work that we've already done, we have done a lot more work than you can actually see, because there are certain companies in your country that outsource to us, and we act as their back-end office here. So we design a lot of websites. Not all we can list our name as okay, this is something that we have done. We are experts, you can say, in WordPress and associated technologies, because there are companies out there that actually rely on us to do their work and get their work fixed, because at times they get stuck, and we bail them out. We see what it is, what the issue is, and then we just sort it out, because as I said, we have 10+ years of experience working on WordPress sites, so there's that confidence there. We know what we're doing, so work with us, and I'm sure we'll be able to help you get a brilliant website, and of course we can help with maintenance too. Thanks a lot. Bye bye.